Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Shabes online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. And the function given is what? Y is equal to 2 plus x to the power of 2 multiplied by x minus 2x to the power of 3. So as you can see the function, this bracket is multiplied this bracket. So we're going to use product rule. The first thing we're going to do is to record the product rule formula. So and the formula is given as what? V du over dx plus u dv over dx. So the first thing we're going to do is to let this first bracket to be what? To be u. Then this second bracket we let it to be v. This formula implies we write v, then we differentiate u with respect to x, plus we write u, then we differentiate v with respect to x. So dy with respect to dx now will be equal to, using this formula is the same as dy over dx is the same as this formula. This is product rule formula. So using this formula, what are we going to do? We write v, we let v to be x minus 2x to power 3. So we write x minus 2x to the power of 3, and multiply by what? The derivative of u with respect to x. U is 2 plus x to power 2. So the derivative, since it's separated by plus, we're going to differentiate it separately. Derivative of 2 is a constant, is going to be 0. So this place is going to be 0. And the derivative of x to power 2, using power rule, we use this 2 to multiply by x, is going to give us 2x. Then we take away 1 from the power, is the same as 1. Then plus u. What is our u? We let 2 plus x to the power of 2 to be u. Then we multiply by what? The derivative of v with respect to x. So we're going to differentiate v with respect to x. The derivative of x with respect to x is the same as what? 1. Then minus derivative of 2x to power 3. We use power rule. 3 multiplied by 2x is going to give us what? 6x. Then we take away 1 from the power. 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to multiply and simplify. So this is going to be what? 2x multiplied by x is going to give us 2x squared. Then 2x multiplied by negative 2x cubed is going to give us negative 4x to power 4. Because 2 multiplied by negative 2 is going to give us negative 4. Then x to power 3 multiplied by x is x to power 4. Then plus, now we're going to expand this bracket. 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 2. 2 multiplied by negative 6x squared is going to give us negative 12x squared. Then x to power 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give us x to power 2. Then x to power 2 multiplied by negative 6x to power 2 is going to give us what? Negative 6x to the power of 4. Because the coefficient of x here is 1. 1 multiplied by negative 6 is negative 6. X to power 2 multiplied by x to power 2 is x to power 4. So the next thing we're going to do is to combine the like terms, starting with the one that have the highest power. So the highest power is 4. We have negative 4 here. Then we have negative 6 here. And both of them, x is raised to power 4, x is raised to power 4. So we can add them together. Negative 4x to power 4, negative 6x to power 4 is going to give us negative 10x to the power of 4. Now we have picked this and this. Now the next is the next highest power is 2. We have 2x to power 2 here. Then negative 12x to power 2 and then positive 1x to power 2. Negative 12x to the power of 2 plus 1x to power 2 is going to be negative 11x to power 2. And negative 11x to power 2 plus 2x to power 2 is going to give us what? Negative 9x to power 2. Then the constant here is just only this 2. So we bring, and 2 is positive, so we bring this positive 2. So here's the derivative of this function with respect to x using product rule. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.